Want a program that helps you truly master Russian? We've tested a dozen different Russian language programs to help you know what works. Heads up, Duolingo isn't the answer, but that doesn't mean learning has to be boring. In this video, I'll break down the top 5 apps for learning Russian in 2026 so you can figure out which one's best for your learning style. So let's start with our top pick, Rocket Russian. Here's why it works. First, I'm a huge fan of Rocket's interactive audio lessons, where you listen to an extended conversation between fluent speakers while an English-speaking moderator frequently cuts in with explanations, questions, and even invitations for you to join in. This is an active approach where you're listening to real Russian in context while also practicing your speaking skills. In my opinion, Rocket has no competition among standard language apps where you're just swiping through quick, repetitive drills that don't prepare you to understand fluent speakers or feel confident putting your thoughts together. After the audio portion, you do a diverse set of practice drills that reinforce what you've just learned. My favorite drill is the opportunity to replay the conversation you just listened to, but this time you take the place of the main speaker. In other words, you're practicing under pressure, but without the embarrassment of having real people listening. Next, Rocket's speech recognition technology, which is powered by Google, grades your pronunciation on a scale from 1 to 100. Having such precise and accurate feedback really helps boost your confidence. Finally, Rocket's dedicated grammar instruction helps you understand some of the more confusing concepts like forming sentences, conjugating verbs, and writing correctly. If you're a straightforward person who likes plain English explanations of grammar rules, you'll appreciate these focused grammar lessons. There are survival kits covering foundational vocab like talking about money and time also help make sure you have your bases covered. Now, where Rocket can improve is that the lessons take about an hour to complete, which is longer than most competitors. You can pause and resume anytime, but I'd still like to see an option for breaking units down into shorter chunks for people with busy schedules. Otherwise, the only complaint I have is the Rocket Russian price tag. They only sell lifetime plans, with level 1 for beginners costing about $150. Thankfully, Rocket is aggressive with special promos, and you can almost always find a discount, so make sure to check for deals. In fact, I'll keep the description below updated with the most current coupons that I can find, so take a look before buying. I frequently see Rocket discounted by 50 to 60%. Next is my top value pick, Babbel. Now, I know Duolingo is one of the most well-known budget options, but after testing both, we found Babbel to be far more effective for mastering real language skills. Here's what I like about Babbel. First, their diverse practice exercises keep you engaged. Lessons are quick, usually about 10 minutes, making them simple to fit in on your lunch break or right after dinner. The streamlined grammar instruction is easy to digest, and the Babbel Russian mobile app and digital interface are modern with excellent speech recognition technology. Bottom line, Babbel is quick and fun, but unlike Duolingo, you're actually learning Russian. Here's where Babbel could improve. They simply don't offer the same in-depth speaking practice as Rocket. They did add an AI-powered conversation partner called Babbel Speak in 2025, which provides more opportunities for speaking and listening, but it's still somewhat simplistic compared to participating in a long-form conversation between fluent speakers. In terms of pricing, Babbel is quite affordable. You can often find their plans for less than $10 a month after promos, which is an absolute bargain in my opinion. Plus, Babbel is great about running special sales. I often see their course for up to 55% off. Next up is Pimsleur, which is another solid option for auditory learners. Like Rocket, their curriculum revolves around interactive audio lessons followed by reinforcement exercises. Now here's what makes Pimsleur unique. First, the Pimsleur Russian mobile app includes a special driving mode so commuters and people on the go can make progress remotely. That's often a game changer for busy professionals. I also appreciate their new rewards program added in 2025, which gamifies things just to keep it fun, without detracting from your learning. Pimsleur also provides an AI conversation and voice coach which helps improve your speaking skills. Finally, unlike Rocket, Pimsleur offers a monthly subscription plan. At about $20 a month, it's much more reasonable for getting started. Plus, Pimsleur even offers a free 7-day trial period, so you can try their course without spending a dime. The link to that free trial will be down below in the description. Personally, I'd start with that trial if Pimsleur sounds like a decent fit. Now let's move on to 2 solid options for visual learners, starting with Rosetta Stone. Their method is based on an immersive approach where basically every exercise contains images. This is essentially the way small children pick up language, and it prevents you from constantly translating from English in your head. Rosetta Stone also provides excellent supplemental resources, so you can mix things up by working through some short stories or phrase books for a while. The Rosetta Stone mobile app offers full functionality, and the AI-powered True Accent technology provides pretty accurate feedback, so you know exactly how you're doing. Plus, the Rosetta Stone Russian price tag is pretty affordable. Subscriptions cost around $10 a month after promos, which is competitive. Not to mention, I often see their course discounted by up to 60% off with coupon codes. Finally, if you love to binge watch your favorite series, check out LingoPie. This is nothing like a traditional curriculum with lessons and drills. Instead, LingoPie is a video on-demand platform that uses real TV shows and movies to help you gain proficiency. Here's what works well. First, they have an excellent content library that they're constantly expanding, so you can always find something you want to watch. Once you choose a show or movie, you can turn on color-coded subtitles in Russian and English to help you understand the characters. Some of my other favorite features include a grammar coach tool, an AI explainer that breaks down words and phrases in context, and interactive video-based flashcards to help you review what you've learned. Now, LingoPie works best if you already know some basic vocab. If you have that foundation in place, it's one of the most engaging ways to stick with Russian long-term. They're definitely worth checking out, especially since you can subscribe for as low as $7 per month after promos. Okay, so time for that final verdict. What's the best app for learning Russian in 2026? If you want an in-depth course for developing strong speaking and listening skills, the answer is clearly Rocket Russian. Their interactive audio lessons are unbeatable when it comes to helping you gain confidence interacting with fluent speakers, and the focused grammar instruction clarifies confusing points. Now, if you're on a budget or working with a tight schedule, Babbel offers the best value. Fast, engaging lessons that fit into a lunch break without breaking the bank. But for serious learners who want to achieve intermediate or advanced fluency and have natural conversations with those native speakers, Rocket is the best choice. Anyways, I know that was a lot of info, so for a full comparison chart of every price and feature, just Google Test Prep Insight Best Apps to Learn Russian. And remember, we give away a free language learning course every month. To enter, just drop a comment below. Let me know which one you're leaning towards. If this helped, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.